Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. This is going to be a quick unboxing video on the Foxemart Folding Portable Bed with Mattress. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Now let's get to the video. Let's check it out. Alright, so it's time to unbox the Foxemart Portable Folding Bed. Let's get to it. Take a look, packaged quite nicely there. Here's your main roll. Take another end. Here's the middle of the frame, it looks like. Bag of wheels right there. That is everything in the box. We've got our bag of parts right here. Gonna take that off the frame. We've got a main piece of the frame over here. Here's our legs. Right here, we're gonna take these off the frame. So there's your legs. Now this is the 31-inch by 75-inch bed by Foxemart. Those are going to go to our legs there. Bag of bolts and parts. Here's another piece of the frame right there. Here's our bag of wheels. Separate our legs. So the memory foam is vacuum sealed. Just FYI. Okay, so everything's unpackaged. This is everything you get when you order the Foxemart Folding Portable Bed, and that is everything in the box. The Foxemart Portable Folding Bed and Mattress is currently running $289 right now. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. They're also currently doing a $30 off coupon if you act right now. Hopefully you found this unboxing video really helpful. Be sure and leave a comment. Also like and subscribe, or at least give me a big thumbs up. Check out these other videos I've got going on. And I'll catch you guys later.